Hi guys, this is March 30th's weekly coronavirus high level. Many people around the world are sick. They have a new illness called the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads from one person to another person. Anyone can become sick with the coronavirus. The coronavirus gives people fevers and coughs. Most people only become a little sick, but some people become very sick. The coronavirus spreads quickly. Now the coronavirus is a pandemic. A pandemic means it is on all the continents in the world. Every continent is dealing with the coronavirus. It spreads very quickly. A pandemic is when an illness spreads all around the world. People think the coronavirus started in China in 2019. It spread to many countries, including the US. Leaders and doctors around the world are working together. They are working to stop the coronavirus. Here's some things that we can do to help stop the coronavirus. To help stop the spread, you should wash hands often for 20 seconds or more, not touch eyes, nose, and mouth, call a doctor when you feel sick, and stay away from others in public places. That's kind of the reason that we are not at school and you guys are having to learn through your laptops right now. Leaders and doctors worry about crowds. Sick people can spread the coronavirus in crowds. Many leaders have canceled events with crowds. Leaders have canceled parades, concerts, conferences, sports, events, and more. So football, basketball, all of that was canceled. Music concerts, any of that kind of thing was canceled. I know a couple weeks ago there was the St. Patrick's Day parade. It was canceled. Leaders have closed public places with crowds. Leaders have closed movie theaters, museums, restaurants, zoos, and more. Leaders have closed schools too. Students are doing classes online in their homes. So that's what you guys are doing. We are learning how to use online to help you learn at home since we can't be together. Leaders do not want people to travel. Sick people can spread the coronavirus to other places. Airlines have canceled some flights. Cruise ships have canceled some trips. Many people are staying in their homes. The county of Tarrant County has requested that everybody stay at home unless you absolutely have to get out, which means go for groceries, which is called an essential. Or your parents or supervisors might be an essential employee, which means they have to go out to help keep the economy going, to help keep businesses going, possibly to help keep people safe, possibly to work in a hospital or a doctor's office. The coronavirus is a new illness. Doctors are still learning about the coronavirus. They hope to stop the spread of the coronavirus soon. Then people can go to public places. Leaders can open schools again. I hope it stops soon because I miss you guys. Person in the news is the doctor. You should call a doctor when you feel sick. A doctor helps sick or hurt people. A doctor helps people feel better. A doctor may work in a doctor's office, medical clinic, or a hospital. So doctors are helping to treat people who have gotten sick, and some doctors and scientists are working on a cure. Place in the news, the world. The coronavirus has spread around the world. The world includes Earth and everything on Earth. The world includes people, countries, continents, and landforms. The U.S. is one country in the world. So if you guys have groceries at home and you want to make this, it's the Feel Better Brew. You can go ahead and look at it on the downloaded PowerPoint. Have a good day, you guys.